Yeah, cognac queen. Cognac queen.
Vlogmas.
Day one.
Day one. December 1st. Grocery shopping. I want donuts. Okay. Hey guys. Whoa. Donuts. So right now we always get treats as sisters. All the time. So behind me.
Don't lie, we do not get treats.
Not treats. We get a whole entire dinner for the weekend. And we get drinks. And we have fun. Well, yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
It should be an everyday thing. It should be. So right now we're trying to get donuts. I think I'm gonna get an apple fritter because that's what looks the best. Right there. I usually only get glazed donuts, but the apple fritter is calling my name. Come look at that cake donuts. I guess we could get some donuts from here. Let's see if they're worth it. Do you guys trust Walmart donuts? Comment below. I trust their patience. I only trust Dunkin' Donuts and Lamar's. That's what's here in Colorado. I don't know what's everywhere.
Krispy Kreme.
I don't trust them. Jocelyn. They're just too sweet. And I don't eat yeasty donuts. I only eat thick donuts. I should get it.
Will you give me one? I don't feel like reaching in there, please. I'll try one today.
I just got off work, by the way. So don't mind me.
Look at the Christmas donut I'm gonna get. It's gonna be brief.
Wait, is that stuffed? I'm not looking at them right now. It's on me. I'm not looking in there.
Stuffed with what? Is it custard?
Oh my gosh. I'll be back with, I guess we can do a grocery haul on this Vlogmas day one.
Yes.
But okay, I'll see you guys when we get home. Okay, you guys, we're about to go into the liquor store. Yes. Excuse my fist bump.
I can't get out the car.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang.
Hey, we got little samples. Yes. Sparkling water. Cheers, Bree. Cheers. Okay. Okay, here. Is the cookie good?
Hey, y'all.
I love gingerbread. I love ginger.
Yeah, cognac queen. Cognac queen.
Anyways.
Hello, world. Hello, YouTube. It's the 1st of December. What Vlogmas? What Vlogmas? Whoop, whoop. What Vlogmas?
Look at that skin is looking bad.
Ooh, so I got a pimple growing in the corner of my nose.
Anyways, guys, I had work this morning, and you know, my little, you know, just I don't know what's going on with my face. I have a pimple coming on.
We have aloe vera.
But I'm coming on soon, so
Aloe.
that's why. I know we have aloe,
Yeah, it is.
but we're about to do a grocery haul.
I hope you guys love all the food that we got.
Yeah, and we're just jumping into this because, yeah, we just are. I'm adding this to Vlogmas because I don't ever do them. So.
Yes. Let's go!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Sorry, headphone users.
Bye. So Bree's gonna tell you what we got because.
Starting with the produce.
So we're gonna start off on this side. This is all stuff that we got from Walmart.
Yes. So we have a loaf of whole wheat bread and honey. That's the flavor. We have our eggs here. And then we have our biscuits. And mayo right here. Some jelly, strawberry jelly or jam. Excuse me. Ranch seasoning.
Jelly, you guys, is higher in sugar.
For homemade ranch that I'm going to be making later today. We have some canned corn, some black beans for our quinoa salad tomorrow.
And the sun-dried tomatoes.
And the sun-dried
for everything
tomatoes.
we're eating,
Pretty
basically.
much, yes. And then we have chicken bouillon for seasoning, veggie broth, some barbecue sauce for my sister's
for day May.
Day May.
Whatever
Yes.
she's eating it with.
Yes. You heard her. We have some cheese here. delicious mozzarella cheese, and then we have some noodles back here. I believe
Some pasta, yeah?
Yeah, pasta. Some elbow pasta. And we have some creamer. Our lovely chips. I'm a chip girl. So we got some sour cream and onion, some Doritos, nacho cheese, and Doritos. What is it? Poppin' jalapeno. Those are good. And then we have Parmesan cheese here, cheese pizza, snack on. And then ricotta cheese for lasagna, which we'll be making tonight.
Homemade.
Yes, vegetable lasagna. Heavy whipping cream for the homemade ranch. We have oil here, a gallon of milk, some butter, some Minute Maid juice. And then here we have the meat, which I don't partake in, but we have some steak, some chicken breast, Italian sausage.
Vegetarian.
Absolutely. And then we have some ground beef here. And then on to the produce.
This is all from Sprouts.
Yes.
This is all Sprouts now.
How we can pronounce this?
Gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola.
One of my favorite cheeses, you guys.
Yes. I believe Jocelyn's using this in her pasta that she's making.
Yeah.
Then we have some raspberries, yum.
For acai bowls.
Ooh. We have green and yellow zucchini, squash, however you want to pronounce it or categorize it. Then we have avocados here. We have bell peppers, red, orange, yellow, bananas.
Yeah, we don't like green.
Yep.
we don't like green bell
mushrooms
peppers.
here, kombucha.
No, it's kombucha.
Kombucha.
You know, but
kombucha.
Bless their souls.
Yes, we have some basil, brood, red onions, potatoes from Walmart, but it's over here.
And so many blueberries.
So many blueberries. I thought there was
They're my
blackberries.
favorite.
Thank God. I thought there was
I wouldn't do that to you. She's allergic, highly.
Yeah. Woo wee. So we have French bread for garlic.
Homemade garlic bread, and then also just something. We're gonna do some stuff with that bread.
Yes. We have some spaghetti noodles. Jocelyn's making spaghetti meatballs. And then we have lasagna.
For veggie lasagna. And this again.
Yep.
Because this is not elbow. This is this.
And the guest star here, Jocelyn's main ingredient. She cannot eat anything without sriracha here. Sriracha.
We didn't
on everything.
I do put it on everything, but we didn't just get that.
Of pizza.
No, no, it is not. Don't be rude. Oh, I got chicken nuggets too.
See?
And we got ice cream.
To the freezer.
Okay, no, we're gonna just bring it out. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. So no antibiotics ever. Chicken nuggets, which I haven't had in forever. I'm so excited. And then we got some ravioli by one of my favorite brands. And then we got these, which I never indulge in, and I'm so excited for us to eat them. Haagen-Dazs vanilla milk chocolate almond. And then also, we're going to try out these Klondike Reese's.
Yes. I love
tweeting and vocalizing that I've done about this topic. All of you people who think that it's pointless that I do these videos because people are still going to bleach, you're probably a problem too. And also, you're lazy because instead of vocalizing potential solutions or coming up with solutions or going around telling people that they are beautiful when they need to hear it, okay? Because you're not willing to do the work it takes to help erase colorism. Don't sit here and say that me being vocal about the topic is pointless, sis. Be a part of the solution and say something.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter.
Sorry for this angle, but I'm saying bye to Vlogmas Day 1. Bree, do you want to say bye to everyone?
Let's do it. Bye, you guys.
Good night. I will see you guys
Good night.
tomorrow. I ran a poll on my channel. So if you haven't voted yet, go vote. I know, again, sorry for this angle, but I'm just chilling on the couch, watching some Netflix.
Oh, no.
Super tired. As you can probably hear in the background, that's what I'm doing, but I will talk to you guys tomorrow. It's loud.
The snow is falling.